Solo.
Sige. Wait. Back. Wait. Sige. Angle konti at isa. Sige. Stop. Wait lang po. Camera. Yeah. Headshot. Sige, headshot. Sige. Angle. Sige, ano yan?
Wala, inat eh.
Okay na ba? Ano na? Out, ay ano? Dump.
1, 2. Okay. Dito friends, dito po tayo harap. Okay, gusto po medyo.
Okay, and that has been the Miss Universe Philippines 2025. At Lisa Manalo is our queen this year. They are already celebrating for their job.
Careful. Picturean muna natin. Careful.
Wala na.
Oo nga, sana picturean mo.
Oops!
Ay, walang manulak po sa likod. Sorry.
Careful!
Careful lahat. Ay, nasa ito din.
Hi, hindi ko maalam eh. I think I'm still on adrenaline. I don't know how.
Atisa, lagi ka nalang nagkakaproblema sa paa mo.
I know.
So, nung nadapa ka ba, naisip mo it's gonna affect the results?
No, I just wanted to get back up immediately after I fell down.
How does it feel na ikaw ang bumasag sa sumpa ng Binibining Pilipinas for MUPH? Na wala daw na nanalo ng Binibining Pilipinas kung sa MUPH.
Very happy, Miss B. I can't tell you how much. I got caught in my dress. And then after I fell down, all I wanted was to get back up. Yeah. Everyone is really impressed. That's good. I don't think so. Not right now. I believe in that. Alam mo, Miss Lee, I had so many signs. Before I could join Miss University. I wasn't even supposed to be Miss And then she backed out, and then I was even in Lawan, and I had to book a flight to get to the contract signing, and even that happened. And then just, it felt like I was getting led on that route. So I followed it. Is that your reality?
Pero yung journey mo from the start to signed up until now, so how was it really getting more and more confident, or was it feel like the competition talagang although you were on?
But hindi talaga the competition, because you've seen the top 6. Any of us could beat Brown and we'd still have a good fight in Thailand. And I'm just very happy that the judges chose me.
Yeah. Well, what about this gang of Bagay?
Dito ka. We collaborated together with my stylist, Patty Yap, and Lucy Alberto.
So your fans in Thailand and
Lagi na lang may problema sa stage din.
Ay, atras tayo. Natakot yung stage.
Bigla tayong
Oh my God, oo nga, sabay-sabay tayo bumagsak. Nakakatakot. Bumagsak? Muntik nang umano. Wala na?
Marami kasi tayo dito.
Diyos ko.
Sino sa lamin? JP, thank you.